Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set custom notification sounds for TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this tutorial helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin. First, you will need to open your TikTok app and make sure to log in into your account, and then we will be able to go to our settings page and we will be able to change the alerts or the notifications sounds. So here we are just waiting TikTok to turn on, and from here we will be able to go to our settings. So now we simply need to go to profile. After that, we will be simply needing to go to the settings of our application. So from here we can simply click on the three bars icon to take us to the settings and privacy. So from here, we will be needing to go to sound and haptics or to go to notifications. Here we will find these settings. You can simply see the contents display, content preferences, ads, playback, display, etc. And now after that we have our TikTok, we will be needing now to go to the settings of our notification or settings. So from here, you will be able to go to either sounds and haptics, and we will be needing to go to the notification sound, and from here you can choose anyone. Or you can simply have specific sounds notification, and from here you will be able to simply choose anyone that you would like, for example this, and click on OK, and you can have it for TikTok specifically, or you can have it just for the settings or notification. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.